Hi guys. Yeah, I know it's dark, but there's something flying around the craft table. Let me see if I can catch it. Got it! Oh my goodness. It's a glow bug. Hi guys, and welcome to the My Favorite Memories craft table. Today we are going to learn how to make our own little glow bug. Isn't he adorable? So let me show you what you're going to need. And this is what you're going to need. First we have the Easter eggs, just plastic eggs. I picked these up at the Dollar Tree. In fact, just about everything here I picked up at the Dollar Tree. And I'm sure that even if it's after Easter, you have some laying around somewhere. And they don't have to be matching colors. They would probably look even just as cute mixed up. So eggs, Googly Eyes, pipe cleaners, or as they call them, Chanel stems. These are optional. These are little wings that I made out of Dollar Tree flowers. I will leave a link to that tutorial in the description below. One black marker, one pair of scissors, and of course your glowing is a little tea candle. And never be without glue, your favorite type, and of course I'm going to be using the hot glue. So let's get to work. First thing you want to do, open your egg. Sometimes they are connected, so you might have to snip them apart. And the longest piece is where the light is going to sit, like that. So this is going to be his tail end. So this part we can put away for right now. This is his face. And if you look at mine really well, you can see he's almost got a face. He has two small holes and a little indent right there. So I know where his nose and his eyes are going to be. So let's put the nose and the eyes together first. Pick out the favorite Googly Eyes. I think I might use little ones if I can come out with little ones. Yeah. So I picked two small ones. And I'm going to use a jewel for my nose. Now this is all optional. You can use anything you want. You can put just a daub of red paint. You can use little tiny pom-pom. You can use anything you want. So grab your glue and let's go to town. And now we have our eyes and our nose. This is where the black marker comes in. Give your little bug some personality. There you go. See how fast and easy that was? Now remember, these are inspirational. They are not set in stone. Please use your own imagination. Alright, now we add the legs. So pick your favorite colors. I think I'm going to use pink. And you should only need 2. And we're going to make legs and some antennae. Antenna. How do you say it? There you are. Now we have antennae, a face, the legs. Let's add some wings. These little things are petals off of a wire flower. And I am just going to add them to his back. And there we go. We have an almost glow bug. Now, after all the glue is dry, pop him open. Grab your little tea candle, turn it on, slide it in, close him back up, and you have your own little glow bug. So, I hope you enjoyed today's little glow bug tutorial. I know your kids are going to love these. And I hope that I brought a little bit of inspiration, imagination, and maybe a smile on your face. I hope I did. And I really, really hope to see you soon. Bye-bye now.